Hello to the hockey family. It is Monday, March the 2nd. We had a beautiful weekend here.
Beautiful.
Had a lot of rain last week leading into the weekend. So we were a little bit nervous because our two little guys, big soccer practice Saturday morning, first ever for them.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
And
first for me too.
some questionable guys coaching the team.
Yeah. You're looking at a head coach, and I wouldn't call myself the assistant coach. I just kick balls around or chase them or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah.
Do what the head coach says.
We did tell all the parents that um we don't know anything about soccer. Right, just a little
Yeah.
rec league. It's fun. Yeah, so we'll see. Probably some good stories here in the weeks and months ahead. These are
Yeah.
two
Yeah.
knuckleheads chasing balls around, and
Uh-huh.
yeah, it'd be good.
Yeah, I didn't think he'd rat us out first practice, but
I had to be honest with the parents, knew what they're getting into.
first meeting right after, just disclaimer. We are your coaches, but we know nothing about soccer.
Yeah,
Right?
we come from a hockey
Hockey
background.
background. Yeah, that was better worded than mine. So
Okay.
anyway, soccer practice. It was fun.
Yeah, it
It
was good.
was a good time. This week we got a little trade deadline coming up on Friday, which is always exciting, tough week for some of the guys as they sit on it.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. It's always like
Yeah.
so much stress, and then oftentimes nothing happens, but we'll see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Thinking of the guys. Looking back at last week, we kind of thought it would be a quiet weekend, Marcus.
Yeah. Yeah. I usually try to put most of our Monday morning talk together at the end of the day, Friday. And yeah, it was a relatively quiet week, right? Tech underperformed a little bit again with we had Nvidia earnings come out. And again, like we've been over a lot in that high tech growth space, anytime you have a company like Nvidia with a high multiple and it delivers, like actually good results. Some would even say great. But the problem is at that valuation, like it needs to be incredible. And so on that, you saw the stock pull back maybe 10% from the high last week. And so I thought we had a nice simple video. And then obviously over the weekend, some geopolitical events going on.
Yeah. So over the weekend, most you've probably seen, but the U.S. and major allies carrying out some major strikes in Iran.
Yeah, yeah, and obviously, like here in the office, like we always do, we try to keep the political side out of it. Right, there's plenty of other networks you can go to tune in and get your political fix. But yeah, from a purely economic and market standpoint, really the reaction this morning is almost exactly the way we would expect things to play out. All right, so you get the U.S. dollar becoming considerably stronger this morning, and then you have oil prices going up about 10%. Right, so oil goes up 10% given the supply concerns in the Middle East region. All right, so oil being up 10%, good for energy companies and developers. They welcome that news. Net, however, for the broader economy, like for most consumers, so consumers make up roughly 70% of the economy. That means higher gas prices, which I mean you'll see that at the pumps here this week. So not great from the consumer standpoint, which is why you see futures down, call it 1% this morning. So not a huge move in terms of equity markets. So it's almost like exactly what you would expect, a little headwind. So we'll see. We'll see the way it shakes out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fun week back from Olympics, getting back into hockey, and like I said, trade
Yeah.
deadline coming up. So
Yeah.
thinking of everybody. Hope your nerves are all right.
Yeah. Down the home stretch here.
Yep.
So
Let's go.
hope everyone has a great week.
Yep.
We'll talk to you soon.